Dialogue number 8. Asking about hobbies.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading and cooking.
That's cool.
What do you do in your free time? I like reading and cooking. That's cool.
Dialogue number 9. Shopping.
How much is this shirt?
It's $10.
I'll take it.
How much is this shirt? It's $10. I'll take it.
Dialogue number 10. Taking a ride.
Hello, can you take me to the airport?
Sure, get in.
Hello, can you take me to the airport? Sure, get in.
Dialogue number 11. Asking for the time.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 3:15.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Excuse me, what time is it? It's 3:15. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Dialogue number 12. Visiting the doctor.
What's the problem?
I have a headache.
I will give you some medicine.
What's the problem? I have a headache. I'll give you some medicine.
Dialogue number 13. At the bank.
How can I help you?
I want to open an account.
Please fill out this form.
How can I help you? I want to open an account. Please fill out this form.